everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngenimba yo saze sabhlungu istory sanamhlanje. A very difficult decision to do or to take for uHlathi. Lezingane zo2 zakhe, uQhawe ingane yakhe, likamva ingane yakhe, but kuthiwa kumele enze ichoice. And if uThumeka uyanqaba nolikamva, uHlathi yena angakwazi ukwenza decision for both of them. So guys, uHlathi vele uyabona ukuthi odokotela basesayidini lakhe lokuthi they can take inhliziyo kalikamva bayifake uQhawe bese yaphila, because ulikamva vele his brain damage, there is nothing they can do. Yesterday bathe if bayayeka bathi ama organs akhe asemzimbeni wonke azoluza kancane agcine se damage wonke, afaile wonke, because ibrain yakhe ayisasebenzi. But uThumeka is trusting God ngemiracle ukuthi uNkulunkulu might do something for ulikamva. It's difficult for her ukuthi ke ucisha umshini ingane yakhe. She feels like bazoyibulala ingane yakhe. But today Hlathi had to take a decision, because uQhawe ngapha naye insuku zakhe ziyaphela, ngapha nolikamva naye his brain damage. Guys, it was difficult to watch that episode. Thumeka crying. Yo guys, uThumeka waze wakhala kabuhlungu guys. uThumeka angazi guys ukuthi wena ucanga ukuthi i-decision engcono ebingathatha uHlathi iyiphi ngaphandle kwale ayithathile. Like umshado kaThumeka noHlathi usazophinda usebenze yini futhi after this incident, usazokwenzekalani? Because I feel like uThumeka usephucwa ingane zakhe zonke, wayeney'ngane eziwu3, taking into consideration ukuthi ukhulise noQhawe umakho wamthatha, ulikamva naye nange seyashona, sekusele ke lo mncane uyanga. And guys, yo, it's so painful. So just comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi umshado kaThumeka noHlathi kusakhona yini kusangakwenza, like uThumeka ever forgive uZoleka kanye ke noHlathi ngalesi senzo kabasenzile ke namhlanje. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.